Looking for the best bike crankset in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best bike crankset available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The LTWO or 7-Road bike crankset delivers an impressive balance of performance, durability, and value. Featuring one-piece molding technology, it offers excellent stiffness for efficient power transfer while keeping weight under control. The 24mm axle ensures smooth compatibility and reliable performance, while the 165mm and 170mm crank options suit different riding styles. Equipped with 50/34T chainrings, it provides versatile gearing for climbing and high-speed riding. Compatible with both 11-speed and 12-speed drivetrains, the R7 is a dependable upgrade for road cyclists seeking smooth shifting and solid pedaling efficiency. Number 4. The Ryro Racer R8 road bike crankset is an excellent upgrade for cyclists seeking lightweight performance and reliability. Its hollow integrated design reduces weight while maintaining impressive stiffness, ensuring efficient power transfer during climbs and sprints. The 170mm crank arms and 50/34T chainrings provide a versatile gearing range suitable for both flat roads and challenging hills. Precision machining enhances durability and smooth chain engagement, contributing to consistent shifting performance. Compatible with road and folding bikes, the R8 offers great versatility for different riding styles. Overall, it delivers a strong combination of value, performance, and modern design for enthusiasts. Number 3. The Skis PowerPoint Holotech crankset is a stylish and performance-focused upgrade for fixed-gear, single-speed, and track bicycles. Featuring a lightweight Holotech-inspired design, it delivers excellent stiffness and efficient power transfer for fast, responsive riding. The 49T chainring paired with 165mm crank arms provides an ideal balance of acceleration and top-end speed, making it well-suited for urban commuting and velodrome use. Its 144 BCD standard allows easy chainring replacement and customization. Built with durability in mind, the crankset withstands daily riding demands while maintaining a sleek appearance. Overall, it offers great value for fixed-gear enthusiasts. Number 2. The Zrace Unchained Carbon Fiber crankset is an impressive choice for road and gravel cyclists seeking lightweight performance and modern design. Its carbon fiber construction significantly reduces weight while maintaining exceptional stiffness for efficient power transfer during climbs, sprints, and long-distance rides. The modular structure allows for easy customization and maintenance, making it versatile for different riding preferences. Designed to handle both smooth pavement and rough gravel terrain, it delivers reliable durability and responsiveness. The sleek finish adds a premium look to any bike build. Overall, it offers an excellent balance of weight savings, strength, and versatility. Number 1. The Ryro Carbon Fiber Road Bike Crankset is a premium performance upgrade for serious cyclists. Built with lightweight carbon fiber construction and a stiff 29mm spindle, it delivers outstanding power transfer and responsive pedaling efficiency. Compatible with 11 and 12-speed drivetrains, it supports multiple chainring configurations, including 50/34T, 52/36T, and 53/39T, making it suitable for climbing, endurance riding, and racing. The versatile SH direct mount and 110/130 BCD options allow easy customization and maintenance. Combining low weight, excellent rigidity, and sleek aesthetics, this crankset offers impressive performance and value for road cycling enthusiasts seeking a competitive edge.